Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Dashcards in Trello for better task management. Dashcards are counters that help you track tasks and streamline your workflow. First, open your Trello board and click on the Power-Ups button at the top. In the Power-Ups window, click Add Power-Ups. Use the search bar and type Dashcards. Once you find it, click Add to install the Dashcards Power-Up. After it's installed, close the menu and click on Power-Ups again. You'll now see Dashcards listed. Select Track. Trello will ask you to authorize Dashcards. Just click Allow to give permission. Now you can start setting up your custom Dashcard. Click on Track, then Customize. Choose the board and the list you want to work with. From here, you can add filters such as due dates or labels to focus on specific tasks. When you're ready, click Start Tracking. Your Dashcard is now active, and it will display real-time counters based on the filters you set. And that's it. You've just created a Dashcard in Trello. This tool helps you stay organized, track progress at a glance, and manage tasks more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.